This is a review of the outdoor solar lights for your garden or pathway, and the brand did send me a free set so I can film this video for you today. So I wanted to demonstrate how well they work, and we're going to go outside and stick them in the ground and demonstrate that in just a minute, but I wanted to run through some of the features. Now, first of all, you're going to notice they're tall, 31 inches tall. They're meant to sway in the wind. Now up here, you're going to find the solar panel, and back here are the lights. Now it does have this glass plastic diffuser material here that's going to create a nice floral pattern. They are very well built. This is the stake you're going to stick in the ground here. But the best thing about these is they do have sensors, so they turn on when the sun goes down. They turn off when the sun goes up. They do offer 34 lumens of light, which I'm going to demonstrate in just a second here. And the other nice thing is they're waterproof and weatherproof, so you can stick them outside. You don't have to worry about turning them on or off or wasting energy. It does it all itself. So let's go outside, stick them in the ground, and see how they work. And there you go. You can see nice, beautiful, bright lights for your garden or walkway, and I would highly recommend these solar lights.